I'm Michelle Manriquez from Drop That Brush, and I want to help people who are non-artists become artists. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. I'm going to look at a bunny rabbit, and I'm looking for fun colors to paint, and so I'm going to do a palette, and I'm going to see how much I use. If I use these three colors, one is gold, Dawn Andrews Turquoise. Love that color. I just think it's a pretty color. I could use cobalt blue and some kind of warm brown. But you know, it's Easter. I want to have fun. I can never diazo something. It is, to me, this is the truest purple of the purple. Anyway, it'll be on the list. Probably a lot of you already know what it is, but that'll give me a dark because neither one of these are very dark. So we're going to mix it with gold. I definitely will not, if I mix this with this will overpower it. It would actually need to be quite a bit lighter. So let's see what we get. So if I start with the gold and I just put a little bit, and it gives me that. Okay, pretty color. And I do it again, mix it, and I get a nice green. Let's go the other way. So I'm gonna get my mix over here, all clean and pretty and clean. Let's do just a little bit of this. Trying to get a good, I think it's going to be the same. Yeah, that's a pretty color. Those work nicely together. A yellow, and this is purple. So they're the opposite on the color wheel. So what does that make normally? That will make a brown, but there's a little orange in there. So I'm not sure how it's going to work. So let's check it out. I'm going to make it really light because otherwise it will or outpower it. So, I mean, you can see I'm getting kind of a strength. Yeah. Bad color. It's very calm, but not bad. And there's kind of an ugly brown. Let's flip it the other way. I'm going to make it just as thick as I can get it so I can see if I get any kind of, but a little lighter kind of milk on this one. Okay, and that's a color. Try this again. I don't like that came out. So let's do a smaller. Okay, try again. I just want to see. I think I'm going to get right. Yeah, I got right back there. It doesn't even make a nice brown. Let's go this color with purple. And those are both really odd colors. So I'm not sure what this is going to give myself a extra room here. So let's start by taking a little bit of this and do that. And put a little more. Look at that. It's kind of pretty blue. And let me put a little more. I don't think I'm going to get any more than that. All right. It's kind of an interesting blue. I don't think I have anything in my palette that looks just like that. Then I go back to that blue. That's all I get. Okay. Because I think this is really ugly, I would probably try to avoid doing this. The eyes, because I want brown in it. I'm going to try one more time just to see if I can get another color with let me just see. Let's see if I get another. Nope. That pretty much is it. Yep. So you get this color, those colors. So those are my options. Now I'm thinking, all right, I can see some ugly colors. Just out of giggles, let's mix all three of them. Let's see what we get. Okay, that is an ugly color, shouldn't it? No. What does this tell me? Why do I do this? Well, I now know that better off mixing on the paper. So let's see what we got. So let me just clean it up. I'm going to keep it really clean. Let's see what it does. A wet area. Just want to kind of let it move around, see what it does. Let's see. I make it move a little bit. Let's use a little. I want to make sure that I get a true, what I'm going to get on dry paper. And I'm going to move it around a little bit, kind of see what I'm getting. Better than, like, this is awful. That's yucky. This seems to be much better mix. I kind of like that. Which says to me, when I am putting this on the paper, yes, probably not mix it together. What do you guys think? Would you ever do these colors? They're a little different, but, it's Easter. I want to have a good time. When you don't know what you're doing, and all you're doing is stroking, drop that brush. I'll see you next week when we do an Easter rabbit. Have a nice day. Bye.